Okay, this is the grinds over here at Kansai, the National Airport Hotel, the Nikko. You get your basic salad items and all that. You walk around, and then Cindy's gonna go to the what they call the Chinese corner, Chinese food corner. She's getting her share of little dumplings. There's different kinds of sauces you can put on those dumplings. And then that looks like some kind of a tapioca deal. This is the Japanese food corner with the saba. And what is the typical name for that dish? You know the name? Yeah, what is it? Chicken and vegetable. Typical Japanese chicken and vegetable. Thank you. Awesome. Then these are assorted Oriental treats. Wow, that's crazy. I like the colors. Japanese are known for their presentation, the colors. This is the morning steak. And then this pork sausage kind of reminds me of the arabiki sausage. It's got a nice tender skin. The soft bacon is, wow, look at soft bacon. And they got some French fried potatoes. French fried potato was actually developed in Amsterdam. And then the French, well, they didn't, I don't know how to say it, words like steal or anything like that, but they took it upon themselves to name it the French fry. So that's what it's been named ever since, the French fry. Awesome. Just kind of chronicling. Wow, look at these fruits, man. Fruit juices, crazy. They got this kombucha tomato juice. Then they got gamu juice, grapefruit juice, orange juice, vegetable juice, barley tea, cold water. Wow. Hey, did you ever see that before, Bill? They've got this juice here. It's a gamu juice. You see gamu juice? And then rounding it off with the typical Japanese, what they call sukemono, or side dishes, vegetarian side dishes. This musomaru is a traditional Japanese omelet, and it looks like it's easy to make, but on contrary, it's a task to make that. Aloha. See you guys on the table. Mahalo. Cindy, she never gave me the egg last night. Anyway, this is what I chose for my morning breakfast. Did you guys know that this is the okonomiyaki right here? Yeah, it's on the corner. But I'm sure it's going to taste a lot different once we get it prepared for us fresh. And then I found some of their Japanese are really super crazy about rice. So I found this rice dish, and then this one is a regular white rice. Then did you see that they've got that plum sauce from Kansai? They've also got another, it really looks radical. They've got an ume sauce as well. And then some beef and some other mysterious items that we're gonna consume. And Bill's got a wide assortment of vegetarian dishes.
No, it's not different colors.
I hope he makes it on the bus okay. But look at the Coke I was showing them last night. Coke Plus, 0 calories, 0 everything. Yeah, and then I'm drinking the oolong tea. But let me show you how this thing, this beef right here.
What is salt is not
It's like insane.
salt.
Man.
This is not salt. What is this? White pepper? Maybe white pepper.
You can dip them inside your Howley style dip.
I had miso soup this morning.
Cindy had miso soup.
You had steak?
Oh, yeah. But anyway, I see you guys on the bus.
What numbers are. So basically, say, I don't think we have a sign. If we don't have a sign, we're going to say for row 1 to row 15. We go there and we sit in. Any place, just find place to sit in. Sit as a couple, sit as a family.
Alright, here we are. We're getting set up. We're going to jump on the first of a series of 2 trains. We're going to be heading out to Hiroshima right now. This guy looks like he's some kind of a conductor of some sorts. Alright, I guess you gotta stand inside this line. Yeah? Is this the line you stand in? Next they're gonna give you blindfold, yeah? Alright, Ken, what cart number?
Number 2.
Number 2. Cart number 2. Here we go. You know why they paint this line yellow? You know why yellow, yellow, yellow? Where's Bill? Danger, danger. Cart number 2. Their number. Oh, wow, look at these guys. Wow, they're going work. This is the work side over here. You see how fast they're moving? They gotta go to work, bro. This side here is the leisure side. We don't gotta go to work. We're on tour. We're on vacation. This is the beginning of number 2. But let's know.
She said half and half.
Half in 2, half in 1?
Yeah, half of us go this way, half to go on the other.
Oh, what other end?
Where is he Bill?
Oh, come.
Where is he Ben and Bill?
Get out! Come on, don't do that to us.
You're making everybody stress
No,
out.
they said
Not go in yet.
15 in 2.
No, this is the train to
You need to
Kyoto.
listen. Let's
Okay?
Oh,
Osaka train.
You're stressing everybody out. Cut it out.
okay.
Don't put your hand.
Oh, they just reconfigured this train right here. Was facing all one way, but now they're facing they're gonna make them face all one way again. Wow. I wish I could do that to my own car. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're leaving Kansai Station. Alright, that's Ken right there. Sydney.
Okay. I will email it to you folks.
Alright.
Okay, up here. Make pretty. Davis. Okay. So, Jerry.
Alright. And what is your name? Bill? Bill? What is your name, Bill?
Jose Jimenez.
And what is your name,
We're on the
Bill?
tour to Europe.
Alright. You don't remember in London?
Japan or
Yeah, we in Japan. You cannot be that guy. You know who you
What
can
about
be?
India? India
No.
was so interesting.
And you know what you can be? Or you can follow my camera too. This is oh here, let Cindy tell you.
Shinkansen track station. The train, the bullet train, the bullet train.
Oh, that's a nice shot.
Again, we have 34 seats plus. Going through both doors, we're going to split like how we did before. The numbers are, but the seating is 2 and 3, not 2, 2, 2. So it's 2 and 3. So of course you couple whatever, and then the family of 9, you guys can say 3, 3, 3, something like this, okay? And we'll make it up. So you might be sitting across the aisle or something. That aisle to side. We'll take, Equal and I will take the odd seats.
Okay, we're on 21 right now. We're going to go to 14. We're 13 right now. 14, and then we're going to split in half like he said. So half in the front, half in the back. Aloha. Pull your front seat, bro. So 14 we can go in the back too, yeah?
Right.
Okay. So tonight's hotel is 111 all the way until we leave.
Huh?
Bags out at 7 every day.
No.
No.
This one doesn't have the baggage service.
What time is the bag out?
No, this one doesn't have baggage service. You bring it down.
Oh, we're bringing them down ourselves. Wee-hee. Bags down at 8 then. After that. Open up your plate, Cindy. Let me see what we got for our lunch.
Bento.
And the water.
Wow.
Yeah, wow, look at the grinds.
Wow, so pretty.
Pretty food. Pretty good job. Vegetarian. Look, yo, I can see. I got eyes over my head. What is it, Bill?
Semo. Semo.
I'm filming you, Bill.
Semo.
Oh, here comes the water. They squeezed it fresh right out of Mount Fuji. In Hawaii, everybody knows that this is a bento, yeah. When they're gonna go to work somewhere, or somewhere where they're not gonna be in a home environment, or a box lunch, like Cindy said, normally reserved for local people. Japanese people from Japan normally don't know what a bento is. Right? Are you Japanese from Japan? No. Bento. Oh, you Chinese. But have you been to Japan and have you seen signs that say bento? No. Oh, okay. Maybe benjo. Alright, here we are. We are in a station where we don't know where we are yet, but that's okay. We're gonna get where we need to go, because we're on the right train. And boy, was that a fantastic bento there, Ken. That was freaking crazy insane. Here we go.
I thought it's only water. I mean tea. Okay.
Hi there.
Are you having
We're
fun?
fun. Yeah. Yeah, we're having fun.
That was a unique meal.
What kind of train is this?
Shinkansen.
It's supposed to say freaking fast.
GTV is faster.
Look at this train, it's so long.
Bill was giving me all the wrong answers. But that's okay. Why? It was supposed to rain like heck today. 60% chance of rain today. And you see what's falling down on my window right here? It's not rain. It is moisture. And let's hope, more of them. See, when you said that, are falling down around here. But anyway, me and Cindy are gonna try stay dry because Cindy has her diary And can she read it out loud, the front page?
You can read it to yourself.
No, what does the book say?
God shall supply all your needs.
Amen. Thank you, Jesus. We had a good lunch.
Which page?
We're riding, what kind of train?
The bullet train.
How is it fast or slow? Quiet or make noise?
Quiet.
Take a ride on the bullet train. Look at that. Wee-hee. Wow. Look at that. We're moving pretty fast. But this is not top speed yet. I'll show you when we hit top speed. Wow. Trip out. Camera is on. It's on shutter mode. Shutter mode. Shutter mode.
Famous for that
That's what you call shutter mode. Where are we now, Bill? Where are we now, Bill? I ask you, Scotty, what do you think about this intelligence on this planet? I don't know. I haven't found it. Can you please bring me up, Scotty? This is our gang. Kid right here to start leading us.
Oh, that's good. I gotta put a leash.
Not least, you gotta get chained.